I'm Janelle from Ringover, and I'll be showing you how to improve your productivity using Ringover's telephony integration in Salesforce. So, let's start with what you see within your Salesforce platform. Once the integration has been set up correctly, you will see the Ringover application appearing in the bottom left of your Salesforce interface. Now, the integration takes no more than 5 minutes to set up and configure, so don't worry about your time. So, how do you use it? That's the main question. Let's take a list of contacts, for example, appearing within your Salesforce. Let's just say I'm a sales agent and I needed to call through a list of prospects. If I click on any of the numbers appearing next to my contacts, this will use the click to call feature from Ringover to pop up my dialer in order to make the call. So let's just wait for Adam to pick up. Once Adam has picked up the call, you will see that I'll be given several options on how I can manage this call. The first one is I'll be able to transfer the call to one of my colleagues, Joseph, for example, or I can place the call in hold, I can mute it, I can start a mini conference by adding another person to the call. I can also generate a shared link that I can invite someone else to join the call in real time. I can also start or pause the call recording. Perhaps the contact is sharing some sensitive information that I don't want to be recorded. Now that the call is ended, what happens? This after call window allows me to add notes. Let's say callback client. It also allows me to add a tag to the call and rate the call quality. Now, at the end of the call, this will create a call log within the contact file. So let's just go into the contact file and see what happens. Here is a list of my call history. If I take one of these call logs, for example, I can see all the details regarding any particular call. So I can see who the callers were, how long we spent on the call, as well as a call recording if I've activated the call recording option. Now, there are different ways that you can make calls from within your Salesforce platform, but for the essence of time, we'll just keep it simple. I can go back into the contact file or any other contact file and click on any numbers that appear within their file or their record to make the calls directly from Ringover. So you see, I've done all of this and I have not even left my Salesforce platform as yet. So, if you'd like to see more of this or talk more about how we can help you improve your use of Salesforce and save time and boost your productivity, just give me a call and I'll be happy to discuss some more.